Teaching practicum. What's the research practice gap Don Norman is talking about? The research practice gap is a problem in which researchers and practitioners are disconnected due to differences in knowledge and how they use or interpret research results. Researchers who aim to search for pure knowledge either do not care about how their results can impact practice, or they often find that practitioners interpret their work incorrectly. Practitioners usually complain that the research results are not practical because real form does not exist. The reason why research practice gaps exist is because researchers usually operate in white room conditions, which are abstract, controlled research environments, and the results do not show immediately. Whereas in the real world, it usually takes years to design real products, and it might even take longer to show the long-term effects these products would have on people. In addition, the research practice gap occurs due to the differences in knowledge and skills between researchers and people in practice. Although many fields are science-based, the skill sets used in the practical disciplines of each field are often acquired through apprenticeship and training. Since different disciplines gain knowledge in different ways and are focused on different aspects, there ends up being a gap. The aspects of the research practice gap we mentioned previously are representative of the pure science part of research and the pure usage side of practice. Don Norman states that in order to bridge the gap between research and practice, sometimes translational developers are needed. Translational developers can help by translating research findings into language that can be understood by people in practice and communicating their problems and needs to researchers. Another way to bridge the gap between researchers and practitioners is to have researchers focusing on applied research by starting with the real needs of people, figuring out requirements, work on the scientific research side, and give results back to the practitioner community that needs the results to solve real-world problems. The example we have is the birth of AI was started in Dartmouth Workshop in 1956, but it's not until 2011 the first modern digital voice assistant on smartphones came out. It was Siri. Most people would not be able to fathom the wide concept of AI if there are no products like Siri people can use daily.